My name is Ash Shukla, and I have to say namaste and thank you so much for watching this video. And today I'm going to give you one quick tip on how do you overcome a limiting belief. My friend, many people struggle from the point of view of having limiting beliefs. Now, let me ask you one question. Go here at the bottom and let me know if you are struggling from this. Listen, when you're struggling from limiting beliefs, the number one issue is that you haven't explored outside. So the number one way to explore, my friend, and really beat your limiting beliefs is to believe in you. That's right. Believe in you. Now, think about how many times you've had an idea, you really thought it's going to become successful, then you don't do it, and then you find a few months later somebody else did it and they're extremely successful at your idea. And it was your idea. So, my friend, why not take the action and stop doubting ourselves for once in our life and start moving the ball forward and making sure that you break through beliefs from and the chains and the shackles that other people have chained on you, on your legs, on your body, right? And just unshackle that and really get out of that entire zone so that you can get to the next level. My friend, it is my wish to the universe to give you all health, wealth, and abundance that you deserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.